Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Cass. Today we're going to be doing a hair video. This video is in sponsorship with True Glory Hair. If you have not heard of them, I did do a video with them before, worked with them before, have had a great time. So yeah, this time we're going to be doing a full-blown wig from them. Okay, this is serious. We're not making our own perruque. Okay, the perruque has come completely made. So I just want to show you guys this experience and how I got this style. We're gonna start from scratch, okay, from scratch. And I did get a lot of questions about like actually doing your side part from the beginning, like not just curling it when it's already preset. So I was pretty excited to do this video, and I wanted to really give you guys old Hollywood glam, hence the wings. Oh girl, you know, enough. The drama is even too much for me at this point. Okay, if this is your first time here, sorry. Hey, how you doing? I'm Cass again. Please hit the subscribe button, tippity tap the bell, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop a comment down below to say hello if you're returning. Thanks so much for coming back this week. So yeah, I don't want this video to be too long, guys. Like I said, this video is in sponsorship with True Glory Hair. I will leave all of the links down below for this wig. It is a 360 wig, which is my first time getting a 360 wig, I believe, and it actually is surprised. I really love it. I always thought, do I really need all that lace in the back? And it's just so smooth and splayed and laid that I just can't get over it. So yeah, I want to jump into the unboxing for you guys, and then we're going to just get into the styling portion. Alright guys, so I want to do a quick unboxing for you guys. This is my True Glory wig in here. This is the cute little box it comes in, very compact, has their socials on the side, just plain and simple. I actually may keep this box for the wig because since it's very slender, it'll be easy to slide in with like my other bags and stuff. So you open her up. Oh my god, okay, excuse me. So, you know, hello gorgeous, that's me. That could be you too if you get a wig. Okay, I just had my screen because I wish you guys knew how bad I've been wanting one of these, and this is actually like a pretty one. Some companies just be doing the most with theirs and putting ginormous labels, but this is just so simple, and it says laid and slayed. Then look how they drop their logo right at the end. I'm literally y'all, the way I've been using a knee high and basically cutting off my circulation, I'm stoked about this, super stoked. Okay, enough screaming about, guys, the band. Okay, so we just have a little informational pamphlet here, and this is for your hair care. You guys know our girl is looking fabulous on the back. They're telling us thank you. If I decide not to keep the box, it still comes in this handy dandy plastic baggie, which is awesome for storing your wigs. And it also tells you the information about the wig. So we have a 360 wig. It's 16 inches and it's 180% density. All right, let me open this and I'll get back with you guys. So I had a little hairnet on it. Of course, it has the stuffing to keep the shape. So this is what she looks like. Okay, and it's a 360 wig. So we have a comb in the back, comb on the sides, and then there's also one at the top of the head. This is the lace, looking good. I love the body wave. It's crazy. I'm actually going to attempt to mimic these curls again after I wash it and do all of that stuff. The hair is super soft, super soft, and I haven't even washed it yet. So I'm going to bleach this really quick, guys. I'm going to do some plucking, and I'll show you guys how I achieve the curls, and then we'll apply it together. But if you guys want to see how I bleach and pluck, I will link a video down below. I've done it so many times, so I'm just not going to include it in this video to save us some time. Alright guys, so this is the hair, air dried, beautiful. Now for your side part, the reason you don't see me actually doing it on myself is because I had to go to my bathroom. I love to put my wigs on and do my side part because it's not just a simple side part. Side parts, you really have to think about your face and you have to part it exactly how it would look good on you. So that's why I highly suggest just putting it on your head first, doing your part while your hair is wet, and that way the part will set. So I had already parted my hair after I finished doing some light plucking after I had washed it, and I let it set with that part, and that also helps with it to lay flat, and you don't have to put as much heat when you're using your hot comb. We're just going to add some hair wax to the hair, and I like to add a lot because I want it to be nice and slick. I think I may have added a bit too much, but honestly I just didn't want to chance it. Since the hair isn't as dense as my other wigs, I didn't have to use as much. But anyways, it got the hair laid and slayed. I got this hot comb from Walmart. I highly recommend her. She was like $20, and she has adjustable heat, so we live. So yeah guys, I'm going to just go ahead and just work on the wig here. Like I said, I'm doing some wand curls, so I'm going to just let you guys just have this therapeutic moment with these nice jazz tunes by my fave DJ GRUMBLE, and we are just gonna let this ride, and I'll see y'all in a bit, baby. finally talk to y'all if this lace will get out of my way. So we just snipped off the ear tabs. The hair's curled. We're gonna glue her down. I'm gonna use my Bold Hold Extreme Cream hold. I love Bold Hold. I've been using it consistently for the last few weeks because I got tired of the hairspray shebang. I'm not gonna lie to you. It just was lifting too much, and I've been wearing my wigs for like 3-4 days at a time now. So the Bold Hold has been great for that. But I got some popsicle sticks because I was using the back of my tweezers and that was just getting to be too ghetto and messy for me. So we done upgraded, y'all. Okay, I got these at the arts and crafts section in Walmart. It's 100 of the small craft sticks. I know people use the huge ones, but I just feel like that's a little too much for me. I'm going to wipe my forehead off with this alcohol pad. I just want to make sure I have all of the oils lifted from that area, and then we're going to just start gluing. I'm going to put my tunes back on so I can focus. We reached the moment where I can finally use this beautiful silk wrap. Y'all know I've been using my little knee high, but now for the official. Shout out to True Glory for including this in the box. So I'm gonna just put this on and I'm gonna set my hairline for 15 minutes and then we'll do baby hair and like finish styling. You guys see what I'm going for. guys, obviously I have not been wearing this hair for a long time, but I'm going to give you guys the quick rundown. I've been working on this wig for 2 days, so I'll let you guys know what I have going on so far. So I did bleach the lace front portion of this, and it bleached beautifully. The lace is very thin, so easy to work with, and I think that really did help with the bleaching process as well, because it wasn't so thick. I didn't feel like I had to leave the bleach on for like longer or go back and do more, so it took it very well. This hair is so soft, like even now it's just so soft and just magical. It feels really, really great. It also helps with the styling. As you saw, I did not have to like straighten or blow dry the hair. That was literally the hair in its air dried state. You saw the body wave, she was still banging, but obviously I wanted a little bit more, so you really could just wear it in its natural state if that's your thing. But also it made it so that I didn't have to flat iron the hair and then curl it, which a lot of my wigs I have to do that with, especially when they're too thick, just because you'll style the whole thing, curl it, and it'll just get really frizzy because it wasn't straightened prior. But this hair took that curling wand and she ate her up, okay? Like, look at me. I look like I really straightened my hair first and then curled it, and I didn't have to. So because this is a 360 wig and it has the lace in the front, lace in the back, it lays and it was already snug completely when I even put it on with the, before I cut the lace off. And I was just like, I don't think I need a band for this. I just made it a little bit more snug, and she was already laying. Like when you saw me cutting off the ear tabs, I had just adjusted the strap in the back and the wig was already just sitting. So it just makes less tension on the nape of my neck too, which excites me because like I said, I've been wearing my wigs for 3 to 4 days and I don't take them off. And sometimes having all of that under your wig can like stress your neck out. So overall, this is a very easy wig, guys. If you have been playing around with wigs and you kind of want to step your quality up a little bit and have like a really solid wig in your collection, I think this is going to be something that you would be very interested in, just because like I said, the lace is very thin, the hair is super soft, it's very easy to work with. You don't need to put a elastic band in it if you don't want to, and it's just very manageable hair, and I love it. I mean, so far I have nothing negative to say. If you guys want an update video on this hair in a few months, weeks, whatever have you, then just let me know down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.